Matthew chapter 7 says, "Ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find, and do unto others as you would have done unto you." Matthew 6 says to pray that we won't yield to temptation, and Matthew 6 also says, if we forgive those who have sinned against us, we will be forgiven. But if we don't forgive them, neither will we be forgiven. James chapter 1 says, "Let every man be swift to hear, slow to speak, and slow to wrath." Philippians 4 says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." John 8 says, Satan, who is also called the devil, is a liar and the father of lies. First John chapter 1, I repeat, First John chapter 1 says, if we say that we have no sin, we deceive ourselves, and the truth is not in us. But if we confess our sins, the Lord is faithful and just to forgive us our sins and to cleanse us of all unrighteousness. First John 4 says, "Perfect love casteth out fear, because fear hath torment. He that feareth is not made perfect in love." Listen to me, YouTube viewers. This tip is to help you and I both. If this tip that I am about to give you helps you, please let me know in the comments below. But listen to me. You and I both need to put a regular reminder in all of our favorite devices to always read all of those passages as much as possible if we have or ever have had a habit of cussing. And we should also put in that reminder, after I read these passages, pray to never talk if I'm going to cuss. And also put in that reminder, pray that I will not need to talk or want to talk if I am tempted to cuss. And also put in that reminder, pray that if I don't need to talk or if I am tempted to cuss, or if I am tempted to cuss. Pray that I will never talk if I am tempted to cuss. And put in that reminder. Pray that I will never talk or need to talk if I am tempted to cuss for any reason, good or bad. I truly do hope this helps you, and I strongly urge you make that a daily reminder. And after you put that in your reminders, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.